Hi guys. I just want to share some quick tips from Flying Solo today. My name's Katherine. I'm head of digital ops on the Flying Solo website. So I'm quickly going to show you today how to create AI images and videos from your beautifully designed garments. Okay, so there's many different AIs you can use to do this. Right now, I'm really a fan of this AI called Fashion AI. It's very simple, very fast, and very affordable. So now we're just going to go to the app. So they have a lot of different things you can do here: product to model, try on different models, you can create your own models, you can swap models. So right now we're just going to do the product to model option. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and find my garment image. So here we have this beautiful snake print strappy dress from one of our designers, Mons Lepeur. Okay, it's important to use photos where the garment is on a white background and there's not a lot of other clutter in the background that could be distracting. Okay, now we want to type in our prompt. I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt that I like to use. So I just want to provide the garment as is. I'm saying to the prompt, don't change the garment. It's supposed to be the same. Keep the neckline and hemline. This garment is for women, so to add a female body, I'm actually going to delete this. You can change the background color, whether you want like a seamless background or more of an editorial background. I want a head to toe model with shoes and hair visible, seamless gray background. Okay, here you can change the output size. I'm going to do 3:4. Right here you can change the resolution. I'm going to keep it at 1K. And right now I just want one image. Other prompt ideas for this are you can describe how you want the model to look, but we're just going to let it do its thing. Also, you can do a face reference or a background reference. So now we're just going to run this. It's just going to take a second. Okay, this is what the app came up with, and I'm very happy with this look. I think the shoes look great. If you wanted to change this, you could, say, oh, add some more accessories, add a bag. Maybe you want the model's hair up, or maybe you want kind of a different expression for the model. So all of that you can change in the description here. Okay, now let's try animating the image. Okay, here is our image. So right now, all we want to do is generate our video. You can kind of describe what you want the model to do in this video, but in my experience, it comes out pretty good without any description. So let's try a 10-second video. So all you have to do is click, you can choose your resolution here. I'll keep it at 720. Usually 720 is fine for your website. So now I'm just going to click generate video, and it's going to take a couple minutes. Okay, now let's watch our video and see what it looks like. Okay, we can see the model moving, it's smiling in the garment, she turns around. I think it's really great. I think the only thing I would go in and change is maybe I don't want the model to turn around here. Maybe I just want her to kind of pose in the beginning from the front. But I can adjust this. I can regenerate another video if I want to change it. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. From here you can download the image and the video. You can post it on your website, on your social media, or anywhere else that you want to show people video of your garments. All right, thanks for watching, guys.